Feel like John Morant, need a triple double. Told him check the stats, yeah I got a couple. I don't drop the ball, now I never fumble. I'm the MVP, now I feel like Russell. Feel like John Morant, need a triple double.
In this video I'll show how to play Slam Dunk Contest in NBA 2K23. First, for current gen, you go to My League, you go to Season, New Season. Now press square to select all the teams and press start. And you simulate the season until the All-Star weekend. And here you can choose which player you want to play with. If you want to play with one player, put the others on CPU and press advance. And you can play Slam Dunk Contest. Now for next gen, you go here on My NBA. And here select the modern era. Click advance, select all, press triangle. Then press start, continue. And do the same, simulate until the Slam Dunk Contest, and you can play. So thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.